Hey, what's going on around here? Oh no! I'll never get any shut-eye with Wally's crazy hiccuping. It's 3 a.m. Some people are trying to sleep around here.
Oh, Woodpecker. It's the family curse of the Hickapoocters. No! Phew. It almost destroyed my best Swedish meatball trophy. Ooh. My grandmama says the only cure is to stand on your head and drink a glass of water. Whoa!
Oh, let me help her. I'll never get any sleep. Now, let's get you into those boots. Hey, this is gonna work. Then we'll both get some sleep. Trust me.
Okay, I trust. Oh, Ferd!
Stop moving and drink the water, man!
Woodpecker.
Get off of me, you... Wait a second. Aunt Fern used to cure her hiccups by holding her breath. Hey, Wally, buddy, I know how to stop your hicka-duper poopers.
No way, Woodpecker. Your antidotes are too dangerous. I'll cure myself.
You couldn't cure a ham, Wally. Hold your breath. Hold it. My Aunt Fern swears by this remedy. That's it, Wally. Hold it right there. Hey, Wally, say, Wally, what time you got, Wally?
Well, it's 1:45. Skunk!
Hold this and your breath. Hold it, Wally. Hold it. I promise you don't want to whiff of this stuff. It worked, didn't it? I broke the curse of the Hinkle-Hoopa whatchamacallits.
Coop. Oh, that does it. Stay away from me, Woodpecker. You're a curse. You're worse than any Hickapoocters.
Okay, fine. I know when I'm not appreciated. Good night. What's it gonna take?
Boo. Ah, Ferd. Boo. Oh, Ferd.
So, he wants to scare the hiccups away, hmm? Well, then I'm just what the doctor ordered.
Oh, it's no use. Hiccup. 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 Oh, the end is near. Oh, at least I still have you, my pride and shining joy.
Scaring him doesn't work. Holding his breath doesn't work. Drinking water upside down doesn't... Wait a minute. These Hickenpoopers are so bad, maybe I gotta do all 3 cures at once.
Woodpecker, no! It is the only thing I got left.
The sun's coming up, Wally. Neither of us has slept a wink. I'll I'll let her drop if you don't stop the hiccups! Holding raft, check. Inflatable raft, just add water. Okay. Drinking water upside down. Okay, that should do it.
Say, I'm from the Book of World Records, and I hear someone has a record-breaking case of the Hickapoopters.
That'd be him.
Well, if they're truly record breakers, I'd like to present the lucky victim with this check for $1 million.
$1 million? Why, sure. He's got the super-duper Hickapooper thingies, but I'm his agent, and I'll need a cut of that cash when he...
You get nothing, Woodpecker. I give you a world record, Hickapoopter. Yeah, you bet. Okay, guess I'll go see about that guy on Maple Street who can whistle with his toes. Wait, yeah, please. Wait. No, wait. I can do this. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I know I can do it.
Well, at least now I can finally get some shut-eye.
Runs in my family.
Ah, finally. Sleep. Hiccup! The Hickapoopters! Oh, no! Hiccup! Well, what do you know? Lunch is served.
Hands off, wise guy! I'm taking a mail-order course in Asian studies, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, the whole egg roll, and I will not be interrupted by your... Oh, now who could that be? Oh, how exciting! It's my correspondence karate course! Says here I need a training partner. And you're it!
No way.
Woodpecker, I'll give you a year's free rent to train me for my big test.
Did you say a year's free rent? But you must do everything I tell you, Meanie-san, for obedience is the way of the woodpecker. To learn perfect karate rhythm, you must cut sushi rolls to the beat of ancient music. Use the strength of your wrist to flip the sushi over your shoulder and onto this plate without looking. You've earned your sushi belt. But I think it's time to work on your balance. You must lift your left leg higher. Then, lift your right wing like a crane in flight. Perfect. Right there. No. For the balance of the crane, you must lift your right leg like the crane. I mean left wing. No, right arm. I gotta get cable. Using the ground to break your fall was a masterful choice, Meanie-san.
When are we gonna start kicking butt and taking names?
First, you must learn concentration.
What's happening?
Ignore all distractions. Focus, Meanie-san. Focus.
Yes, Master Woody. Yes, Master. Yes, Master. Woodpecker, this is ridiculous. I don't see any of this stuff in my training manual. You gotta train me like it says in here, or no free
like the silent cobra. Okay. You go hide in your house. When I come in, you try to sneak attack me.
Oh, now we're talking, Woodpecker. I'm a cobra!
Hey, chummy. Is that cheese for Wally Walrus?
Nope. Says here it's for Woody Woodpecker. Have a nice day.
I love a good stinky cheese. Yeah, you can hide, but you just can't run, Mimi. I must have taught her too good. She could be anywhere.
You can run, but you can't hide, Woodpecker!
I see your training is going well, Miss Minnie. I am here to test you.
If I don't pass, no free rent for you, Woodpecker!
Buddy, I need help. I'll give you my whole collection of Kung Fu movies on Betamax, but you gotta fight her for me.
No can do, Woody-san. The test begins now.
Well, then there's only one way to play this.
You have no courage. You run like the nose of my sister's baby.
Your red mane is mine, infidel!
Cyclone of Death, A+. Pinwheel of Pain, most impressive. Tightrope of Terror, A+ again. I must say, you are an amazing training partner, Woodpecker-san.
Yeah, it's all just wax on, wax off. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, no.
Woohoo! Mimi, you passed the karate test. That's a year's free rent for me.
I should have taken French lessons.
We interrupt Sleepy Time Serenade for a special news bulletin. The disabled Russian satellite did not land in the ocean as predicted. It has entered Earth's atmosphere, but scientists have no idea where it will crash.
What in the world? Hey, who dumped this big hunk of junk in my yard? The recycle yard ought to pay a few bucks for this. 18, 19, 20 smackaroonies. Not bad for a short nap's work.
It is now believed that the disabled Russian satellite crashed down somewhere in this city. And there's a 5 million ruble reward for its return.
5 million rubles? Well, why didn't you say so? I gotta get my satellite back. What? Closed? Ooh, not with my satellite inside. Guard dog on duty. Yeah, try Woodpecker on reconnaissance. Go on, get a job, you lazy mutt. Rock-a-bye puppy in the junkyard. Go to sleep so my job won't be hard. Now, where's that satellite? Now, let's see. Where would I hide if I were a 5 million ruble satellite? I can't see a thing with all this junk. No satellite there. Not there. Nope. Not there. Nope. I'm sure I'll be able to spot my satellite from the top of Toilet Hill. Not in the old tire section. Not in the... Hey! What gives? I'm just here to get something back. Heck, here's the 20 your master gave me for it. Now we're square, so I'll just... Well, well. My own Woody wagon. Looks like $1 million. Nope, make that 5 million rubles. There's only one way out. Okay, there's only one other way out. Yo, over here. Whatever you do, don't put me in a small confined space, man! Like, don't put me in there, for example. Please! Thanks a lot. It's over, Rover!
You found our satellite. We thank you. You have certainly earned your reward.
Yeah, tell me about it. 5 million rubles, right?
Correct. Do you want it in Russian rubles or American dollars?
I like the green stuff.
With the current exchange rate, it's worth exactly $12.
What?
Oh, and 2 cents. Rate went up this morning.
Almost fully.